Hi, doctor. I am currently having trouble falling asleep.
I see. Let's find out what's causing your distress. Okay, that's a start. Tell me more.
This is the future of the many sectors and many fields.
The functionality of virtual clinic, Mentalverse, and Brainverse is basically quite similar.
Somebody he have any mental issues, he doesn't declare it or he doesn't go to the doctor. For our technology here, we are looking for end-to-end solutions.
Sometimes you enter and there's no one in front of you. That means the doctor is just arriving.
Psychologists and healthcare professionals, they can help us.
We've made it compatible with the phone and the laptop or computer as well.
I believe this technology will treat a lot of behavioral issues.
So when it comes to treatment or diagnosis or something like that, patients are always worried about the doctors. What kind of doctors are coming to treat us? What doctors we have to visit? Is he actually capable of treating my disease, or will he be able to find what I'm going through? So Mr. Ali, how do you ensure that the health professionals who are using your device or the ones on the platform are actually qualified or trained? How do you ensure that?
Okay, first of all, with regards to the, let's say the patient himself, not everybody they can access the platform without going through specific criteria first to ensure that this patient is eligible, to enter this platform and to meet the doctor that he will do the session with him. So with regards to the healthcare professionals, of course, as well, they have criteria and they must be licensed, under the regulation of UAE, so they can practice this consultation. So here, we're gonna say it is more about consultation with the doctor more than a treatment itself, because in the phases during the sessions of the consultation, maybe the doctor he will see that this patient he have to visit the clinic, in reality, to check more and to go through the process more and more. So our platform, it is of course having the specific criteria from both sides, from patient and doctor side, to ensure that we are following the good practice as well in the healthcare sector and under the regulation of UAE.
So Mr. Ali, what kind of training and qualifications you provide to your healthcare professionals who are in your platform?
Okay. We're trying now to develop a new module, about the healthcare professional to get an education and training, through the metaverse services. So actually, there is a lot of topics we can talk about it here. We can make something like simulation room of an ICU room, that the doctor he can doing his education in the university, for example, or his PhD, he can actual experience through the metaverse services, where we can make simulation room, with all the equipment and the supplies that he need, and then for simulating of a human body, that he can do a full surgery, through the metaverse services, and he can, and as well, this is here where it will come the AI integration. Why? Because if we're talking about education, so the AI will correct the doctor if he did something, a mistake during the surgery in the metaverse, during his session, and as well will support him. For example, which type of injection he will give the patient during the simulation, So it will support the doctor as well, and to help him which type of equipment or supply or injection through the AI integration and the education and training in this simulation room.
When it comes to using a virtual platform like this, it may include the presence of internet and all those things. And when it comes to internet, it's all about data. So how do you ensure the patient's data, the security of the data that is to be used here, and also about the medical records?
In our multiverse technology and our metaverse services, we have to ensure that we are following the regulation process, especially with regards to the confidentiality of the patient, because this is the top priority in the healthcare in general. So we have to ensure, and we are now integrating our module with a local server here in UAE under the regulation of UAE to ensure that the data and the medical records of the patients, it is secure inside the country, and nobody can have access on it unless it is under the regulation of the government, So that's why metaverse services and this virtual clinic, we will do, if there is any trading of medical record, will be saved and secure under a local server here in UAE.